Our work began during the pandemic, and as a community-based organization, we had gathered many of our communities of color team members around the table, public and private health, private businesses. The challenge in our communities was about, we have all these great resources and we have all these people in need. During the pandemic, there was just this ripple effect of what was going on with the pandemic. And how do we do a better job of making sure those we need to serve know about these resources and this information, and that it's also done in a culturally competent way. So meaning things that are in English need to be translated to multiple languages. And so we really focused on that communications piece, but we know based on our community that it's about those trusted members of the community. This is more than a news release. This is more than a marketing campaign. This is about human-to-human interactions and relationships. That's the beauty of community organizing, is getting to that action piece really fast, because you're listening to the people with lived experiences. They know what's best.
I got connected with the Lisa. Her office has really helped refugees very much. They go there for applications to help. Her office helps them to fill applications, getting jobs for them. They are feeling very big gap, and we really appreciate the office as refugees.
I think about most recently we had a couple of refugee families living in hotel rooms. I think it was about 12 children between them. And so John and I went over, met with the families. How can we help? At that point, the dad, we tried to communicate, because communication is always a barrier, but he expressed through my friend who knew a little bit of French, when we asked, what do you need? He said, we need food. So we made sure we went out and we grocery shopped and got them enough food. Now fast forward a couple more weeks, the families are in the hotel yet, and I am out of town, and then more needs come up. And this is how beautiful this trusted network works, is I put out the email to the other organizations and say, here's the deal, we have a family in need. And then the next thing you know, I'm getting pictures from the other organizations and their members saying they're all taken care of, they got their hygiene, they got food, we got household items to them. Like, it's this beautiful connection. It all comes together, and it's like this extra layer of making sure nobody is falling through the gaps. And that's just this beautiful trusted relationship that we're navigating this journey together to serve.